So just like 22 million other Americans, I'm out of work due to coronavirus. Between watching my savings account dip down to zero and watching debt accumulate like a snowball, I've been worried about where my life is going to head. We're not gonna let that happen. We are gonna make a video. It's like Peter McKinnon has his coffee, but you're probably gonna see me eating dates. This is so good. Stop staring at me. I'll finish you up later, baby. It could be like some ASMR type stuff. So this is probably one of the first videos you ever see of me, considering I have like 4 videos on my channel. So let me not scare you away from the beginning. Let me just tell you about my situation. Due to COVID-19, I have been out of work for the last 2 months. Prior to the outbreak, I did own a business, but I decided to leave to pursue my own passion of being a videographer. After doing that, a lot of things have changed. Videography is not going well for me right now. I just don't have the kind of steady stream of gigs that I need to really put money on the table. And if things don't change quickly, I might have to sell this equipment, sell the computer. I might have to make an OnlyFans. I just gotta figure something out. I'm in dire straits trying to figure out what the heck can I do to put some money back on the table. I don't have time to try to figure out how to do a production company. I've decided to go back to doing the thing that I know how to do so very well. I know how to run a commercial cleaning company. Back in 2016, when I was 19 years old, my buddy Preston and I, we started a commercial cleaning business together. We went from very little business experience to growing a company to the point where we were bringing in 5-figure profits each and every month. It's tough thinking about what the good life was now that I'm unemployed, but that's gonna change today. I need money today, right now, or there will not be a good looking tomorrow for me. All right, yeah. All right, so first things first, our business is going to need a name. This is the part of the business that I spend the least amount of time on. See, I want you to understand, I don't think it's that important. Most of the companies we follow and love, they have names that we have zero clue what they actually mean. Nike, Chase, Microsoft, Pepsi. Do you really know what those names mean? When it comes to naming a company, I take a more practical approach. I want something that will rank high on search results. Secondly, something that will rank high in printed lists. This is pretty simple as most things are alphabetical. All right, so what we're gonna do is we need to come up with a business name that starts with the letter A. So words that start with A. This simple. This is literally how I'm naming my business. 5-letter words that start with an A. Aaron. Ooh, Aaron? Man, dude, that will always turn at the top. 2 A's in a row. Dang, that might be it. I literally don't spend, I spend a little bit of time finding a word that kind of feels good. I'm just seeing what's out there. ABEC. That sounds like ABEC, ABEC. What is ABEC? I think that's gonna be freaking it. Man, that's gonna show high up in there, brother. An A, B, E, and a C, all at the B. Shoot. And all those words look like really good capitalized together. I can come up with a true meaning for ABEC some later time. But I think ABEC is gonna be the name, like A, B, E, C, all like the top letters of the alphabet right at the beginning. A, B, C, D, E. Dude, that's clutch, bro. ABEC. I'm going. It's gonna be ABEC. It's literally gonna be ABEC. Hey, thanks for calling ABEC Cleaning. Yeah, I see it in my head. All right, now that we have a business name, we need to legitimize it. We need to file that name with the Secretary of State and make it official. All right, now it's time to actually become a legitimate business. Now here's the thing, I want you to listen. I want you to listen to me clearly. You could just go and file for the business and be done. But there's another thing I actually recommend you file first. You see, when you register a business, you have to put up a person known as a statutory agent. What this means is this person will receive important notices, aka service, or you being sued, or important documents on your behalf. It can't be a business. It has to be a legitimate person. Why is that such a big deal? This information is public record. Now, why is that such a big deal? Well, because anybody who searches for your business will be able to have this information. This information will also live online, meaning scammers, anybody who just wants contact information, people who want to find out where you live, stalkers, whatever the case might be, the people who watch this video, they could know exactly where I live and my information. You don't want that. okay? So what I actually recommend you do is to find a statutory agent service online. In your community, there's going to be a service available to you where if you pay for a small fee, mine was $50, $60, this person will act on your behalf. And this means that you'll be able to use this person's name and address on behalf of your business. So their information will be on public record and yours won't. You still don't think that's a big deal, okay? Let me show you something. You see all this? You see these papers? Do you want that to be your life? Because that's gonna be your life if you choose not to listen to me. The thing is, every single day, you will get mail that you don't want. If you do not have a physical place of business, I highly recommend that you hire a statutory agent company. The mail that you get will be sent to them and they'll upload it and send it to you, and it will all be done in a way that protects your privacy. I'm just saying, think about it. All right, we did it. We're here now. We are like crossing the finish line at this point. We have a business name. We have the statutory agent. Now we need to legitimize it. We need to send that baby to the Secretary of State and say, hey, we want a business named this to operate in Ohio, Arizona, Idaho, I don't care, wherever you're at. I did that already. Throw it up on the screen, you can kind of see it, but it's a very simple process. You give them your name, your information, blah, 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 blah. And it's really just saying, we want to operate under this name. If the name's available, approve us of this, and here's your $100, because that's what they're gonna charge you. But when it's done, you are officially a business owner. Yo, that's tight. You are officially a business owner. That feels good. Yeah, I'm using that. That's my thing. That's my new thing. Is this do I look good at this angle? Is this good? Hold up. I probably look so crazy right now. But we're not done yet. All we did was file for the business name. We're gonna get approved. The name doesn't exist. It's ours now. But here's the thing. This is only the beginning. We're not done yet. We still have a lot to do, but I believe, I know it. I've done this before. Once we get the business name approved, that gives us the paperwork we need to start up a bank account, to get insurance, to get our EIN number, all these different things that will be coming in the next episode of, golly, I didn't come up with the name yet. Becoming a business owner. Did I mention that you should subscribe to this channel? Please, pretty please, the cherry on top. Right now I gotta do a commercial cleaning business because I need some immediate attention. However, long term, I want to be with you. Like and subscribe. Thanks. This is the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you. Oh. And now looking in your eyes. You didn't expect this black boy to be singing a song from High School Musical, but that just shows you I'm unexpected.